In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh WhatsApp Web to ensure you're always seeing the most up-to-date messages and chats. Whether you're working on a desktop or laptop, refreshing the page is a simple yet essential step to keep everything running smoothly. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First and foremost, ensure that you have WhatsApp Web open in your browser. You can access WhatsApp Web by visiting the official website and linking it with your mobile device. Once you have it open and connected, you'll be able to see and respond to your chats just like you do on your phone. Now, once you're comfortably situated on the main screen of WhatsApp Web, it's time to focus on refreshing. Refreshing is a straightforward task, and it's vital if you notice any lag in message updates or encounter any functionality hiccups. To refresh WhatsApp Web, simply turn your attention to the top left corner of the browser window, right above the chat list. There, you'll notice the refresh icon. It typically resembles a circular arrow, a recognizable symbol across most browsers for reloading web pages. Clicking this icon will initiate a quick reload of the page. As you click the refresh icon, the browser will briefly reload WhatsApp Web. During this short break, your existing chats will reconnect to the WhatsApp server and any pending messages will appear. It's worth noting that this process usually takes only a few seconds, so you won't find yourself waiting long. If for any reason you don't see the refresh icon, you might also try using your keyboard as a quick alternative. Pressing the F5 key is the standard shortcut for refreshing on most Windows devices, while Command+R achieves the same on Mac systems. By refreshing regularly, especially if you suspect a delay in messages, you ensure that your communication is as seamless as possible. Refreshing is crucial when you rely on timely and accurate message delivery, be it for work coordination, catching up with loved ones, or anything in between. While the process is simple, here's a tip. Ensure your internet connection is steady before you refresh. If you're having connection issues, refreshing won't necessarily solve the problem. Instead, check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection first to make sure everything is in order. Once your internet is stable, a quick refresh of WhatsApp Web should do the trick. In closing, refreshing WhatsApp Web is like hitting a reset button for your browser-based chats. It keeps everything updated and is especially handy if you encounter syncing issues. Make it a regular habit whenever you feel something's off with your messages. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tips and solutions. Until next time, keep chatting and stay connected.